Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your premier destination for all things home and garden. Today, we're venturing outdoors to explore a trend that's transforming exterior spaces into lush, vibrant retreats, the outdoor living wall decor. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Outdoor living wall decor, this isn't just about hanging a few plants. It's about creating a living, breathing piece of art that enhances your connection with nature. Let's begin with the fundamentals. What exactly is outdoor living wall decor? It's more than just potted plants on a wall. It refers to a vertical structure covered with vegetation, creating a visually striking and ecologically beneficial feature. These installations can range from simple, modular systems to complex, custom-designed walls incorporating various plant species, irrigation systems, and even lighting. They bring the beauty of nature directly to your outdoor living space, creating a unique and inviting atmosphere. Now, why should you consider incorporating a living wall into your outdoor design? The advantages are numerous. First and foremost, they enhance aesthetics. A well-designed living wall can be a stunning focal point, adding texture, color, and visual interest to any outdoor area. Beyond aesthetics, they offer practical benefits. They improve air quality by filtering pollutants and releasing oxygen. They also provide insulation, helping to regulate temperature and reduce energy costs. Additionally, they create habitats for beneficial insects and pollinators, contributing to local biodiversity. For urban dwellers, they can create a sense of tranquility and connection with nature, even in the midst of a bustling city. Integrating a living wall into your outdoor space requires careful planning. Consider the size and orientation of your space. A large, sunny wall can accommodate a diverse range of sun-loving plants, while a shaded area will require shade-tolerant species. Think about the style you want to achieve. Do you prefer a lush, tropical look, a minimalist, modern design, or a more structured, formal arrangement? Choose plants that complement your existing landscape and architectural style. Consider the maintenance requirements of the plants you select. Some species are more drought-tolerant than others, while some may require regular pruning or fertilization. Ensure proper drainage and irrigation to prevent water damage to your wall and surrounding structures. Selecting the right elements is crucial for a successful outdoor living wall. The best items are not just about the plants themselves, but also the supporting structure. Modular systems, which consist of prefabricated panels or containers, are a popular and convenient option. These systems offer flexibility in design and are relatively easy to install. Trellises and espaliers provide support for climbing plants, creating a more natural and organic look. Consider incorporating other decorative elements such as lighting, water features, or artwork to enhance the visual impact of your living wall. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here are the compilation of the top 10 outdoor living wall decor ideas to inspire you. 1. Succulent wall. Low maintenance and visually striking. Succulents thrive in dry conditions and come in a wide variety of shapes, colors, and textures. 2. Herb garden wall. Combine beauty and functionality by creating a vertical herb garden. Fresh herbs are readily available for cooking, and their fragrant foliage adds a delightful aroma to your outdoor space. 3. Tropical oasis wall. Create a lush, tropical vibe with ferns, bromeliads, and other exotic plants. This style works well in shaded or partially shaded areas. 4. Vertical flower garden. Add vibrant color and fragrance with a vertical flower garden. Choose seasonal blooms for continuous interest throughout the year. 5. Green screen wall. Use climbing vines like ivy or clematis to create a natural screen or privacy barrier. 6. Geometric pattern wall. Arrange plants in geometric patterns for a modern and structured look. 7. Repurposed pallet wall. Give old wooden pallets a new life by transforming them into a rustic living wall. 8. Water feature wall. Combine a living wall with a cascading water feature for a tranquil and refreshing ambience. 9. Illuminated wall. Incorporate lighting to highlight the textures and colors of your living wall, especially at night. 10. Mixed media wall. Combine plants with other decorative elements like metal, wood, or stone for a unique and artistic statement. In closing, outdoor living wall decor is more than just a trend. It's a way to bring nature into our lives and create truly exceptional outdoor spaces. By considering the benefits, careful planning, and selecting the right elements, you can transform your patio, balcony, or garden into a thriving green oasis. Thank you for joining us today on Homes Decor Designs. We hope you found these tips and ideas inspiring. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more design inspiration, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite outdoor living wall decor ideas. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.